Hello students, this is question number 7th of IOQM 2025 and 26. The question here it says, the age of a person in year in 2025 is a perfect square. His age in years was also a perfect square in 2012. His age in years will be a perfect cube m years after 2025. Determine the smallest value of m. So to solve this question, we can assume the age of a person be x in 2025. So I can write let his age in 2025 be x. So his age in 2012 will be equal to x minus 13. Now as we can see that x and x minus 13 are both perfect squares. So I can write that x will be equal to L square and x minus 13 can be equal to m square. Now I can replace the values over here, and if I'm going to substitute the values of x into it, so I can write that L square minus m square. This is going to be equal to 13 in this case. So from here I can write that L minus m into L plus m. This is going to be equal to 13. Now, if these two cases we have, then I can rewrite this as either L minus m, this is going to be equal to 13, and L plus m, this is going to be equal to 1. So from here, this is one of the case. And it either L minus m, this is going to be equal to 1, and L plus m, this is going to be equal to 13. This is another case. So from here, I can see that L and m, ordered pairs, that will come out to be equal to 7, comma minus 6. And over here, it will come out to be equal to 7, comma 6. So I got the ordered pairs for L and M. So if I'm getting these values, then I can get the recent age of that man. So X is equal to L square. So I can say the age will be equal to 49. And for in 2012, the age will be equal to 36. So both the things are perfect squares. Now, a perfect cube or the cube of a number which is coming after 49, that will be equal to 4 cube, and that is equal to 64. And that is going to come after 64 minus 49 years. So that is going to be equal to 15. So means after 15 years, his age will be a perfect cube and his age will be 64 at that instance. So the correct answer for this question should be equal to 15, and the same has been mentioned by IOQM final answer key as well.